Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, and Mari. If you guys don't know who Mari is, this is my fiance. I got stalled right there because I was like, oh yeah, I'm not by myself today. This is my fiance Mari. She's going to be in the video today because actually today's video is going to be an unboxing, a special unboxing of a mystery box that I really have no idea what's in there because Mari actually curated the entire box. Is it good?
I hope so.
I hope so too. Anyway, actually the way that we made this box was through the sponsor of today's video, Farfetch. Farfetch is a premier shopping website that not only connects 190 countries, but 3,000 brands and boutiques. The range of products on the site is amazing, guys. Not only do they have sneakers and like clothing and stuff, but they have a whole bunch of accessories and like top of the line brands, guys. Jordans, Yeezys, Nike, Adidas, Supreme. They even got Stone Island, all of like these hype brands. So I'm really excited to see what you got. There was probably a lot of stuff for you to go through on the website, huh? Yeah. Did it take a while to shop through there?
Hours.
Hours? Yeah, because there were just so many products.
Yes.
Yeah. But it was good, right? And was the shopping experience easy?
It was super easy. They had an app and a website too.
Oh, okay, cool. So which one did you use more, the app or the website?
The app, because I could just scroll on my phone.
Oh, okay. Hopefully get some good stuff on there then. One of the best things that I love about Farfetch is they follow the motto that we are all in this together. And I think that's a really important concept right now during like this crazy time with like pandemics and stuff going on. And one of the good things that I really love about Farfetch is that they support small businesses, guys. You guys hear me preach all the time that you guys need to support small businesses, support like local businesses and stuff. And Farfetch is like paving the way in that area. Because the items that you guys purchase on Farfetch come from different brands and boutiques in 50 different countries, guys. So boutiques, if you guys don't know, are like smaller stores, and that's where they get like their business and stuff is from, like selling like locally usually, but Farfetch actually allows them to sell on their platform. So not only does it like help the small businesses, but it's just a very, very good website overall. So I really appreciate that because Farfetch is like helping these small boutiques and stuff. And during this time, we all got to be in this together, like they say in their motto. So I think that's very great. And what's even better is that Farfetch is actually hooking up the Untitled Hana today with 10% off their order. So if you guys use the code UHFF10, UHFF10, I'll put it somewhere on the screen over here. It'll be right over here. UHFF10. That's where you guys will be able to use the code, and you guys will get 10% off your order when you guys go to Farfetch today. So feel free to check that out, man. I will link all of the products that we get in this box. I don't know what products they are, but I'll link them in the bottom after the video is done, so you guys can actually pick up whatever we see in this box as well. So who's ready to see the mystery box? Okay, so I think we can open it up now. I have not seen any of this box, I gotta say. Again, Mari shopped on Farfetch all on her own, so I just hope she didn't get like duplicate shoes or stuff like that. Do you seem confident?
I hope so.
Okay.
I should look through all your brands.
Okay. Thank you.
Good.
Okay, go grab the box then. I'm excited.
I gotta go to my car. Hold on.
Okay. I don't know what's gonna be in here, guys. I'm freaking out. Like, this is an expensive mystery box too. This is $2,500, so I'm hoping she just didn't buy like these really crazy things and like, I don't know, I hope there's good style to it. Oh man, you actually wrapped it and everything too? That's a big box. I could help you with that.
Happy holidays.
Part of the reason why we did this mystery box is because since we're on quarantine and stuff, Mari wanted to do something special. So she actually, for my birthday, which was a little like over maybe about 2 weeks ago or so, she ended up buying all of this stuff and like had it sent over. And yeah, I guess she wrapped it. What is this wrapping paper though? Look at this, guys.
It's Christmas.
Why is it Christmas wrap? It says Happy Holidays, Merry 'tis the season. What is this? Why are you using Christmas wrapping paper?
This is the only wrapping paper we had at home.
You
Couldn't go out.
Oh, because quarantine and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, I guess that makes sense. That's cool. Oh, this is going to be a different kind of unboxing today. Oh, you used a bigger box. So,
Couldn't fit.
is there boxes and boxes in here?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so many boxes in here. So basically what happens, it looks like Mari had all these boxes coming from Farfetch because they ship from all over the world. Again, they use different boutiques and stuff. And they came in little shipping boxes and she put it into one big box. You didn't want to wrap them individually?
No.
I feel very special. So I guess we'll just dive into it, guys. There's a lot of boxes in here actually. Okay, so you guys can see has like dedicated Farfetch branding on the box too. This one is, what is this?
That's mine.
What is this?
Why is it the first thing?
you bought yourself clothes? What? Or is this for me? Am I supposed to wear this? Do I look good, guys? Is this
Let's
hype enough?
just move on.
Is this... What? I thought this box was supposed to be for me. You bought stuff for yourself too?
Why did I put on the top?
So now I'm starting to think that like half of this mystery box isn't even my stuff. You got sidetracked when you were shopping on Farfetch, huh?
Yes.
No wonder you spent hours on Farfetch.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, I don't know what other kind of like women's stuff is in here, but that's not mine, guys. Don't worry about it. I'm nervous now. I guess what's cool too is that Farfetch is really good about returns. I noticed over here, like in that first one, that they give you like this cool little like Farfetch brochure thing. And in here they have like the return labels and stuff, and also these boxes that they're shipped in. It already has like return tape, so it just makes it super easy, guys. Pretty cool right there. This one though, is this for me or is this for you?
That's for you.
This is for me? Okay, cool. What do we have here? This one is a... Oh! Wow, you did a good pick, man. Oh, shoot. This is a really good pick. Okay. So this is a Jordan Off-White jacket, guys. That's sick. So, as you guys can see, came from Farfetch, and you guys can check it out over here. It does have that Jordan brand, and it says Off-White over here as well. This thing is actually really, really sick, guys. Like, check this thing out. Over on the back, it has the Off-White Jordan branding again. And I think this one was a drop with the Jordan 5s, I believe? I'm not sure.
I don't know.
You definitely don't know. How come you ended up picking up this one?
Because you like Jordans and you like Off-White.
Oh. That's actually really cool. Good job. Good pick. You're forgiven for all of your stuff in the beginning. You're forgiven now. This is fire, man. Okay. How do I look?
Good. Yeah.
Cool. And it's like a light jacket too, which is perfect because we live in Hawaii, so it's definitely like hotter season. But it's always nice to have like a slight, light, thin jacket, you know? So this is cool. I really like this. And I know it was expensive, so thank you. This is sick though. I like this. This is a good birthday. I'm getting some cool stuff in here. What is this? Is this another jacket? Whoa, dude, Stone Island? That's sick. Whoa, this is light. This is really light. How do I look?
I like it.
Dude, I feel very stylish in this. Well, obviously not with this. This isn't very stylish. So with Stone Island, a lot of people really enjoy like this thing right here. So they make it like super official. So you have to take off the tags and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. So obviously that's not stylish, but this is pretty stylish. I like this color though. This is really clean. Good job. High five. Teamwork. That's why you guys gotta find a partner who actually knows your style. Because so far so good. This is a really nice pick. What's really nice about Farfetch too is that they're very, very legit. So you guys know that you're getting like only authorized stuff like Stone Island and stuff. There could be fakes. I'm not sure about the market with that, but definitely everything is verified, authentic, and legit. It's Farfetch, guys. It's a safe website. It's not a sketchy website. So that's another thing that I really appreciate about the website. Man, there's a lot of boxes in here, guys. And for this one, it says shoes. I'm excited. What? What?
I just put this on the side.
Why? Wait. What is this? What is this? Vans?
Super hype.
Mari, I don't think I could fit this. Is this for you again?
I'm gonna wear these to school.
Oh, these are your school shoes. Cool. Check it out, guys. We got a pair of the classic slip-on Vans today. These are cool. Thank you. I can fit like maybe one toe in here. How much stuff did you buy yourself in here, man?
I deserve stuff too, okay?
Okay. You're just keeping your own little pile over there with all of your goodies?
Yes.
Nice, okay. Did you buy any more things in there?
Okay. The rest is all yours. Here.
Are you sure? You promise?
I think.
This one's kind of cool. It has Farfetch actually on the outside of the box right over there. Just an accessory of some kind. How do I open this? I don't know how to open this.
Right here.
Help me, please. Help me. Okay, there. I got it. Okay, cool. What do we got? Ooh, wow. Okay, here we go. So again, like I guessed, it was an actual accessory, and this one is a Ray-Ban. You guys see over there. Ray-Bans are sunglasses. Did you pick a good one?
I hope so.
Whoa. Okay, dude, these are sick. How do I look?
Looks good.
Why are you laughing? Do I not look good? I think I look good in this, man. That's style. What's really nice too is that I think Farfetch is providing these bags like themselves. So these are like all like neatly wrapped and stuff. Looks like a shirt. Oh, John Elliott. Mari knows that I've been getting really into John Elliott style recently because You guys know me, minimalistic style is what I like, so I definitely appreciate John Elliott clothing. This one, it's like a light, it's kind of like the same color as this jacket actually. Glacier, okay, cool. Yeah, John Elliott has a lot of good minimalistic style on there. They have like a lot of basic tees, basic like jackets and like pants and stuff, so yeah, and really good denim. I have like a lot of John Elliott denim now.
Yes.
Did you get me denim?
I don't remember at this point.
Okay, did you get yourself denim?
No.
Okay.
I'm done. That's all I ordered.
This is fun. It's a quarantine birthday party. Oh, nice. This looks like another Stone Island thing. Dude, this is sick. Definitely a cleaner look. I like the cuff on this. This is cool. It's like an elastic cuff, so that way you guys can have it like tied around your shoes and whatnot. Also, you guys can check it out. Does have that Stone Island tag over here as well. Some of like the jeans and stuff I know don't have like this little patch. It's more like printed onto the clothing. And I think for some reason that's like less hype for some reason. I don't know why. So you actually picked the good one. You know your style?
Yes.
No, you don't. Stop pretending.
Hey, I did pretty good.
You did very good. You did very good. I'm not gonna lie. But Mari always says that I'm the one with style. And she dresses like a grandma, she says.
I'm a teacher. What can you say?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So it looks like we have just one more big box in here. I'm assuming these are shoes because it's a big box. Or did you not get me any shoes for a sneaker channel?
Just have to wait and see.
Yeah, you're not giving me anything. Ugh. Okay, last one right here, guys.
Shoes are hard to get you though.
Why are shoes hard to get me?
Because I'm not sure what's hype or not. Because clearly, I got some Vans.
Well, it doesn't always need to be hype though.
Well, I hope I did okay.
It looks like you did okay. Can you hold? Oh, we got two in here. Okay, we got two shoes in here. But I mean, it looks like you did okay because you guys know this is my favorite box. This is a Jordan 1 box, so we're already off to a good start. Ooh, wow. Actually, a good pick. Very, very good pick. I think I used to have a pair of these and then I got rid of them like a fool, and now they're like super, super expensive. So yeah, this is good. What's the other shoe in there? Oh, Nike SB. This is a Dunk Low. Oh, dang. This is a good pick too. I guarantee the way you shop for these shoes was you actually just looked in the cases and you're like, okay, I gotta find stuff that looks similar to that model. Did I catch you? Yeah, Mari's camera shy, if you guys couldn't tell this whole video. She doesn't like being on camera. So, yeah, that's why she's so cute though. Look at her, she's so cute. She's so cute.
Move on.
Oh, okay. Anyway, check out the shoe, guys. This is the Nike Dunk SB Low. In the new ray gun colorway. So this is the tie-dye ray guns. I really wanted a personal for these because I think they're just really fire, guys. I like that they actually made this very reminiscent of the original model but added like a little bit of a twist, right? So this is very cool right here, and one that I would keep for personal as well. So I think the entire box was a huge success.
I hope so. Was it?
I think so. Thank you for making my birthday special.
Yeah.
This was really fun. And thank you for coming on camera too as well. I know you don't want to really be here, but the audience, the guys, the Untitled Hana, they appreciate you being on here. But I do like everything that we picked up today. Very cool purchases. And again, all of this stuff will be linked in the description below because all of it was bought by the sponsor of today's video, Farfetch. So if you guys want to cop any of the stuff that you guys saw in this video, or if you guys want to cop and just take a look around on the website, they have a lot of product. Again, Mari spent hours on there and she picked a lot of good stuff, thankfully, but I don't know how many hours were for herself. It's okay, that's okay. Feel free to shop, that's fine.
As long as you're happy with yours.
Yeah, exactly, that's true. We're both happy. Are you happy with yours?
Yes.
I'm happy with mine. Yeah! So again, before you guys head over to farfetch.com, which is also linked in the description below, don't forget to use code UHFF10. UHFF10, and that way you guys get 10% off your order. You're getting pretty good at this. You want to come on for more episodes?
No.
Oh, we'll get her on for more episodes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This was really, really fun. And thank you guys for kind of like pseudo celebrating my belated birthday, I guess, with me. This was really fun. And again, shout out to Farfetch for actually coming through with all of this dope presents, basically. This was cool. Anyway, if you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you guys want to see more of Mari. Make sure you guys hit the like button. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. And we will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots. Good job.